To book an appointment on Outlook Calendar, start by opening the Outlook application on your computer. Once open, navigate to the Calendar section by clicking on the calendar icon in the navigation bar. In the Calendar view, click on the New Appointment button to create a new appointment. A new window will appear where you can enter the appointment details. Start by entering a subject for the appointment. This will help you and the attendees identify the purpose of the meeting. Next, enter the location of the appointment. This can be a physical location or a virtual meeting link. You can also add a description or notes about the appointment in the body section. To add attendees, click on the Invite Attendees button and enter their email addresses. You can also search for attendees in your contacts list by clicking on the Address Book button. Once you have added the attendees, select a start and end time for the appointment. You can also choose to make the appointment recurring by clicking on the Recurrence button. Before sending the appointment invite, make sure to check the availability of the attendees by clicking on the Suggest Times button. This will show you the availability of the attendees and suggest the best time for the appointment. Finally, click on the Send button to send the appointment invite to the attendees. The appointment will be added to your calendar and the attendees will receive an email invitation with the appointment details. Best practices for booking appointments on Outlook Calendar include setting clear and descriptive subjects, adding all relevant attendees, and double-checking the time and location of the appointment. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently book appointments on Outlook Calendar and stay organized.